Nike and LEGO continue to strengthen their partnership with a new Air Max 95 collaboration arriving in spring 2026. Designed especially for younger sneaker fans, the release will be available in grade school and preschool sizing. The shoe keeps the iconic Air Max 95 look, highlighted by its signature layered construction and gradient-inspired panels. Colors include black, metallic silver, dark smoke gray, light smoke gray, and eye-catching Volt accents. Volt details appear on the eyelets, visible air units, and branding, giving a subtle throwback feel to the legendary neon colorway that is also set to return in 2026. Materials such as mesh and synthetic overlays provide structure, durability, and comfort for everyday wear. LEGO-inspired design elements are expected throughout the shoe, following the playful and kid-friendly approach seen in earlier LEGO and Nike releases. This launch is notable as one of the first Air Max models to join the LEGO collaboration, expanding the partnership beyond previous silhouettes in spring 2026.